If you think this is a relaxing boat ride, think again. The music's pumping and these boats are absolutely flying. 1 minute you're cruising along the Whitsundays and the next you're hanging on for dear life with the biggest grin on your face. It's like a roller coaster, except you're bouncing across the ocean. It's so fun. At this point, Adele is pumping through the speakers and we're all having a big sing-song. And Gary, one of our deckies, decided to dance it out. Look at him go.
Disco. X on the line, just as I suspected. No one really gets over me. I'm unaffected. Why would you try to ever put me second? You're just another groupie to me. No, I'm out here single, and I need some real. Now I got standards, give a fuck how you feel. I'm out here single, tell me what's the deal. Now I got standards, give a fuck how you feel. No broke boys, no new bands. No broke boys, no new bands. That's what makes you beautiful. I know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Looking back on today, ocean rafting Southern Lights was easy as one of the highlights of our trip. Yes, the Whitsundays are amazing, breathtaking, but what really made the day was the crew. Ben, Gary, Paige looked after us from start to finish, kept us laughing, made our kids feel welcome, and turned on what would have been an ordinary tour into a day we'll never forget. So if you're ever visiting the Whitsundays, I can't recommend highly enough of ocean rafting Southern Lights.
The kid's doing a night swim. I think Riley is like a gremlin. Fed him after dark, and now he's gone feral, scaring his sister away.
So after a little bit of R&R, I got back to the pool, had a bit of a swim.
We're on Riley's swim patrol.
Riley's swim, here we go.
Oh, there we go.
And then Winter and I went on a jet skiing tour, which was absolutely amazing. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't film this, but here's an AI picture of us going through the water. And now, we'll see you next time. Bye.